Hey guys, welcome back. Happy Wednesday. Welcome to our final day of quarantine learning. Well, at least quarantine for me. Um, I'm feeling much better. I'm sure you've all been very concerned. I do thank you, the people that have sent emails. Oh, that was very nice. But I'm feeling a lot better. I think I probably still contagious, but I feel like I could easily teach today. Um, Here's the deal. For today, you've got a couple items that I'm going to have you take care of. And there, a couple of them are going to be assignments that we'll add in with some of the stuff you've done this week. I know it's not ideal to have to do things this way, but I have been very happy. Some of the reports I've gotten, at least from the morning, have been very good. That people have you know done a good job and been good students. Um, so hopefully that continues through today. Keep in mind, you'll have some of the assignments on here, both with Ed puzzles, and we're also going to do a quizzes as an assignment today. It's the same quizzes you've been doing, but this time it's going to count for points, and I'll explain that in a second. So here's what you are going to do. Let's start with, there's an Ed puzzle I'm making. Now I'll tell you right now, the Ed puzzle website, I got halfway through with the video, and it's just on identifying rock samples. I got about halfway through with it, adding questions, and the Ed Puzzle website is not working right now. So if by chance it does not come back tonight, this is Tuesday, um, then maybe I'll just post the video without the questions, and I just want you to watch it at least. But it gives you a good examples of how to identify different rock samples. If I'm able to get it posted on there as an Ed puzzle, then it will be, however many questions I put on there, it'll be that many points. So either way, do that. Then I'm going to post another different example of the quizzes. I mean, it's the same quizzes, but another link. Now, for this one, it's going to be a little bit different because this is going to count as an assignment for points. Now, it's the same quizzes you've been doing. And when I go on there and look, I can see who's been doing it. Most of the people that have been doing it have also been doing very, very well on it. So it should be a breeze for you. I realize that some of you have not done it, and that shows up also. So you only get one shot at it, though. So be very careful with your answers. It will just be, how many correct and how many incorrect answers. So don't worry about how fast you're answering or the points. It's just correct answer, incorrect answer. If you want to go in and practice on one of the ones from yesterday or the day before, you can do that. But then just make sure that when you do the link for today, you only get one chance at that. Now, also, please do this for me because I'll have to go through when I grade these. Put your name, obviously where you put your name, but also put like a number for your hour. So, I would put, Chad is my first name, or I could put Chad Cadets. And if it was second hour, I would put Chad Cadets 2 or second hour, or I could put second or something like that. That way, when I go through to grade them all, I don't have to flip around back and forth because it's going to put them on there by points. So it makes it easier. So remember, you get one shot at that. If something goes wrong, that's unfortunate. If you click the wrong thing, that's part of life. So take your time, work slow. And like I said, if you want to go back and practice, you can go practice on one of the old ones before you do this one for points. What else can I tell you? Oh, so you'll do the Ed puzzle first. You'll do the quizzes second. And then since we have not had any phonology time this week, which I'm sure you guys are heartbroken about, I'm going to put on here a link to a book that I wrote about 2 or 3 years ago, maybe, on phonology. And I just want you to take whatever it's going to take you, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. I want you to go through and read the book. And it's not like a chapter book. It's not like a lot of reading. It's a lot of pictures with some little descriptions in there. But then I want you to read through that. And then hopefully we're done for the week. And next week we can get back to normal. Then obviously have a great rest of your day today, but have a great weekend. You've got an extended weekend. hopefully we got beautiful weather. Get out, stay healthy, have some fun, and then we'll get back next week to normal, whatever normal is. So, do those 3 items: quizzes, Edpuzzle, and then read through the phonology book. And that's it for today. So, enjoy your day, and I will see you guys next week.